your smile. Black velvet with that slow southern style. A new religion that'll bring you to your knees. Black velvet, if you please. And gone to heaven, 'cause it was 11:15 on a Saturday in 1999. Right across from where I'm standing, on the dance floor she was landing. It was clear that she was from another time. Like a baby Barbarella with the stars as her umbrella, she asked me if I'd like to magnetize. Do I have to go start trekking? 'Cause it's you I should be checking. So she laser beamed me with her cosmic eyes. Oh, she's just a cosmic girl. Oh yeah, from another galaxy. My heart's at zero gravity. You just won the world. Hey, is the world enough for you? You just won the world. Hey, waiting everything in two. You just won the world. Hey, but you don't know what it is. You just won the world. Hey, you just won the world. Confusion never stops. Closing walls and ticking clocks. Gonna come back and take you home. I could not stop the tune now singing. Come out upon my seas. Currents missed opportunities. I might not